A brand of baby's cough syrup sold nationwide at Dollar General is under recall. Kingston Pharma is recalling some of its 2-ounce bottles of DG Health Naturals baby cough syrup plus mucus because the bottles could be contaminated with bacteria that could cause vomiting or diarrhea. They come in a carton like the one you see on your screen and have the lot number KK180157 with an expiration date of November 20th. No illnesses have been reported so far. If you have it, you should return it to the store for a full refund.